Samukele mbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele yithi laba futhi sesibuyile sibuya ekhefini sibonga kakhulu mbukeli ukuthi usahlanganyele kanye nathi njengamanje sasingena ke ehoreni lethu lokugcina isikhathi sani ngoku madlongothi yini lekho phambi
hey ha ndiqome kwaZulu mama
wouldn't you wish
sekujalo
ake siyibone naye ake sibone Khola Brothers ake sikhiphe la iyasinda makholi iyasinda sana ayisenhle
Kodwa ndi
hold ke nawe ave uyithanda izinto sala hayi cha inhle bandla ibethe
siyazinca
World Choir Games Khola Brothers
yini hayi siyazinca
shuthi nje kwathi what the winners are Khola Brothers from South Africa.
What an honor si Ekhaya Jikelele sibe nabo. Ngatsho hayi intingane izidakandini.
Beka Kholosa isikhathi sama headlines. Beka. Bukele njengamanje lesibheka indaba ehamba phambili kuleli hora.
Isixeko saseGauteng sithi sichonge into ezintathu ezinokubanga unobangela boqhushululu olubangele uqhushumbo gxebe olubangele ukudilika kwesitalato iBree.
Asaqiqizisana ezinkantolo namanje amalungu ebandla lakwaShembe njengoba usashisa phansi nje umbango wesikhundla njengoba izolo abesenkantolo.
Isixeko saseGauteng sithi sichonge into ezintathu ezinokubanga unobangela woqhushumbo olubangele ukudilika kwesitalato uBree.
At this stage, our preliminary investigations have presented us with three possible scenarios for the explosion. These are ignition of methane gas in underground stormwater systems due to sewage ingress. The second possibility that we have and considered is the ignition of natural gas mixed with air, which is oxygen in this case, in the underground stormwater drainage system of the service ducts. The third and the last possibility that we have is the ignition of gas from a gas pipe burst. At this stage, only one of the above potential causes appear to be warranted. Accidental leakages of natural gas into the service duct reaching explosion concentration levels of between 5 to 15% and was ignited by a source unknown at this stage. The source of gas in the service duct is unknown. Investigation in this regard will continue.
Uhlangothi lwebandla lakwaShembe olwavunwa enkantolo ephakeme eThekwini ngo2016 embangweni wesikhundla sokuphatha leli bandla salinikele enkantolo lofuna ukunika imvume yokulawula ikomkhandlu noma ikomkhulu lebandla. Amahhovisi ekomkhulu lebandla senande enyakatho eThekwini kanti kuona ke umduduzi Shembe uyena ohola uhlangothi wasebuhleni. Umholo loluhlangothi ke uthi yena noma usolwa ngokushaya indivu umyalelo wenkantolo wathi akaphume aphele kulamahhovisi.
Ngemuva ukukhothama kwenkosi uvimbeni Shembe, umfowabo inkosi uVela Shembe nendodana yakhe inkosi umduduzi Shembe babandakanyeka empini yasenkantolo yokuphatha ibandla. Inkantolo enkulu yaseThekwini yanquma ngonyaka u2016 ukuthi inkosi uvimbeni iyona eyayiqoke inkosi uVela, yena owaqoka inkosi uPhinda. Abasethemezindla abaholwa inkosi uPhinda bathi ngale kwalesinqumo senkantolo inkosi umduduzi ugoloza nokubuyisela ubuholi kubona.
Ebuhleni ikhona kuyinhloko yamathempeli onke emhlabeni nezinto zakhona kodinga ukuthi sibuyele khona kuwo wonke lawo mathempeli la kunezinto zebandla khona ithempeli likhona nezinto zakhona.
Abasebuhleni sebeyavuma ukuthi inkosi uVela uyena owakhethwa ngokusemthethweni ukuba abe inkosi yebandla. Kodwa ke bakholelwa ukuthi leso sinqumo senkantolo asasebenzi njengoba akhothama engakaphothula amalungiselelo akhe okubekwa ehlalweni. Njengoba bona ngo2018 bethi bayiqokela unyazi nakuba olunye uhlangothi luthi lwalungekho kuleso sigungu.
Inkosi unyazi lwezulu alibambile. Lento ekuthiwa actor alibambile isikhundla sobuholi. Lihleze esihlalweni sobukhosi inkosi yamaNazaretha. uye uphethe ibandla la eBuhleni Nazareth Baptist Church eBuhleni. Uma ehlezi lapho uhleli ngokusemthethweni, akho umthetho esuphulile.
Isinqumo senkantolo ngalolu daba sigodliwe. Eindabeni za SABC nginguvusi Khumalo eThekwini.
Abanye osoqoqosho bathi kubonakala ngathi i-tightening cycle yenkonzo enguvimba siyaza kuphela. Izolo lebhanki ibhengeze ukuba izawuthi qha kwinzala okokuqala ukusukela ngo-2021. Ngulisitsha Kganyago obhengeze ukuba esi sigqibo songatshintshwa kwale nzala.
Uphumlani Tyali obhekele ukugunyazwa kweimvume zokuthengiswa utshwala Eastern Cape wethule ubufakazi ecaleni elimayelana nokuthengiswa utshwala kweingane endaweni yokucima ukoma eNyobeni Tavern eMonti. Kulesi sigameko kwaphangala ingane engama-21 ngoNhlolanja wanyakenye.
Uphumlani Tyali nophuma kwibhodi ejongene nentengiso yotywala ephondweni wazise lenkundla ukuba abanini bendawo yentselo yaseNyobeni batyeshela umthetho weLiquor Act. Ukwagxininise ukuba uVuyokazi Ndevu nebhaliswa ngegama lakhe ilayisenisi unoxanduva lento yonke yenzeka kwindawo yentselo noba akekho yena ubuqu. Ukanti umasipala ombaxa eBuffalo City ukhuphele impepha esisibini nalapho besaziswa khona ukuba unenjongo zokudiliza isakhiwo sentselo kuba sakhiwe ngokungekho mthethweni. Abazali bamaxhoba abavumelani nelinyathelo.
Sizawudinga ubungqina obuthile phangaphakathi kwesasakhiwo xa besichitha ngoku ithetha ukuthi loo nto babulala ubungqina, which is bafuna ukwenza ke ngoku lena icase ingabi nabuzaza. So thina ke singaba bazali sihleli singathembanga kakade into edibene norhulumente kuyo le case.
Sona esisibini sale ndawo sithi siyaleqwa ngelinyathelo.
Kondo iphucukileyo to that document ezandibeke koneni is just nothing. So I will deal with it after the case. They can continue. Besenza bafuna uyenza, then I will deal with them later.
Elityala limiselwe umhla we-23 kunyanga ka-August. Abongile Yankisi kwiindaba ze-SABC eMonti.
Ngaphambi kokuba uphume kaloku umbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele siyaqinisekisa into yokubana urhabule ufince kuqikelelo lwemozulu.
Siphinde sinamukele babukeli la ekhaya Jikelele. Kanti ke sesibuya ezitolo madlungothi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ke sixoxe ngeindaba ezitrendayo.
Sizaqhubeka kaloku neza izolo yoqonda ukhumbule kaloku into yokubana olwaqhushumbo lwapha eNewtown eBree beluzeke emzekweni kuthethwa kaloku kukhona kaloku nomnumzana uPanyaza eqinisekisa into yokubana ayoqhushumbo oluthile lwenzeka phaya.
No, osekuphumile manje ke kuthiwa iDepartment of Mineral Resources umnyango wezokumbiwayo usuqinisekisile wona ukuthi cha ukuqhuma lokhu akudalwa ngamazamazama noma illegal mining okumbiwa ngokungekho emthethweni. Futhi ke kuyabonakala ukuthi ezinye indawo ke lapha eGoli kayisenawo ugesi phela as a result of ke lokhu kuqhuma. uPanyaza ke abantu lapha ko Twitter ke basho khona ukuthi hayi bazizwa ngathi uPanyaza is all over the place taking over everyone's duties. Shuthi babona ukuthi ungenelela kuzo zonke indawo kodwa ke phela umsebenzi nje ka Premier lo vele ukuthi uhleze ebheka. So ke umtweet woqala noma kumuntu oqala uSamson Balo yotweetile uthi yena this thing happened in Johannesburg, the mayor should handle it. Why Panyaza le Sufi is everywhere? Oh shuthi ushola ukuthi ena uba uGwamandi kumele ngabe uye o Ayi but mina ngibona ngazi ukuthi nabantu ugcina sekuhamba bengasazazi ukuthi bafunani ngoba phela ukuba kenzile ukuthi ngabe kuthi uhlezi manje ke ulaphana into ayenzayo lapha ukuthi uyasiza nayo ukuthi kutholakala isombululo ngokusheshsha.
Nomakabaza uthe waphefumula esithi Panyaza when he was asked where he wants to see himself in 5 years, he says he wants to be the president. He is so sure that he qualifies. So into ethi ngokwa abantu abasathembi ncam isikhokelo sakhe uPanyaza ngenxa yalento mhlawumbe.
No, ukuthi kanjani uMonsieur Greg yena uthini? No one has a difficult job like Joburg Mayor. He can't even have a media briefing in peace without Panyaza Lesufi wanting to take center stage. JXP explosion. Hayi kuthiwani ke ngamazamazama ukuthi amazamazama ona akuthiwani ngawo ngoba phela wona kuthiwa umnyango wezokumbiwa usushila ukuthi cha lokho akudalwanga ukuthi enabe kumbiwa. Athini ke ama tweets ngamazamazama.
uLarry Simo uye waphefumula ngezamazama esithi guests came from the zamazamas. Why you so quick to dismiss any involvement by them? Did they procure your services or the foreign workers of yours as zamazama by night?
Commandant General Babazile yena uthi why are you protecting zamazamas without a full report? You have a stake in the zamazamas. Shuthi abantu bakholelwa ukuthi yena indaba ukuthi kuthiwa kusamazamazami ngoba bakholelwa ukuthi bona laba bantu izikhulu iziphathimandla nazo zikhona lapha isebenzisana nawo lamazamazama.
Into ethi nje bayaphikisa kwa ilento ezisiwe ngu-Department of Mineral Resources. Ukulwana naye ke uphefumule pha kwikhasi lika Twitter uthi they are going to blame the zamazamas. This was clearly a warning. Hey!
Hayi ziyashisa indaba ngibonile lapha na kwi list of what's trending khona nomna kwethu usukayibona lo show.
No, yes ngeke ndayibona.
Ngiyayibona la ikhona lapha number 2 kwezi trendayo.
Hey,
umna kwethu
noma kwenzeke ntoni kuba kaloku abantu bavele bangene kule nkqubo mhlawumbe fumanisa omnye akanayo imali ngokuba khalaze ke ngokamaningi ba hey alizokwazi ungena kolisapho because
hayi ke ngiyakutshela undodana walapha na shuthi nayo makuthiwa imbiza ukhamba lifuza imbiza izulu sisho njalo uthi indodana iyofana nobaba hayi nje ke sibona lokho ke nathi lapha yana kulolo hlelo njengoba manje ke embukeli ke sithi nje ke qhwi8 lo sobuye emva kwedolo. Siphinde sikamukele mbukeli ekhaya Jikelele kanti mabe sibheke zemidlalo ususemoma umqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba ku netball kanti ahamba kahle kamalungiselelo eqembu lesizwe Proteas njengoba eyingxenye yalo mqhudelwano usingathwa idolobha iKapa. Zisithupha nje kuphela insuku eseyisele ngaphambi kokuthi ke lo mqhudelwano uqale eInternational Convention Centre eKapa kanti phela kuzobe kungokuqala nqa ke ukuthi ubanjelwe ezwenikazi eAfrika. Lo mqhudelwano ngonyaka u2019 wawubanjelwe eLiverpool kwelamangisi. iNew Zealand ke iyona ke yaba ngompetha kulo mqhudelwano igoqisa iAustralia ngegoli kanti amangisi ke okwakuyiwo sokhaya agcineke elele isithathu. iNingizimu Afrika iqhathwe kuPool C kanye neJamaica, iWales kanye neSri Lanka.
Uthule mfana ukulunywa ngethewu uthule mfana ukulunywa ngethewu uthule mfana ukulunywa ngethewu uthule mfana ukulunywa ngethewu ulale sikhuluma ngethewu ulale ulalele sikhuluma ngetheku ake ulalele sikhuluma ngetheku ake ulalele sikhuluma ngetheku
konani
ethekwini kumnandi ngoba unolwandle
konani eThekwini
iICC
konani eThekwini
iPhavalio uzethekwini amahotela negateway ikhona
konani eThekwini
isikhumulo semikhumbi abanye bathi semtateni kukhona orisho mfana eceleni kweKings Park basanda usakhela iCasino thina
eThekwini
kukhona iKing Shaka airport
eThekwini
kukhona umkhandlu omkhulu nayo yo masipala
umongameli uMandela wavotela phi
eThekwini
inhlangano yase-African Union yalontshwa phi
yalontshwa eThekwini
kuphela yomhlaba yokuqeda ubandlululo yabanjelwa phi
eThekwini abantu bafuna ukuzeThekwini osekhona ufuna ukuzeThekwini uphi neze ufuna ukuzeThekwini uphesheya kwezilwa ufuna ukuzeThekwini thina leThekwini sikibele thina leThekwini sesikibele gagasi
woza ma eThekwini woza wena uzobona woza wena uzobona woza wena uzojabula sinapho konke Shaka Marine ikhona Shaka Marine ikhona Shaka Marine ikhona Isibaya Casino ikhona Bridge City ikhona Mega City ikhona woza wena uzobona woza wena uzojabula ithe sayibambe eThekwini kwaze kwakhala befifa ithe sayibambe eThekwini kwaze kwakhala befifa ithe sayibambe eThekwini kwaze kwakhala befifa ngo-2010 sabashiya bekhala ngo-2010 sabashiya bekhala woza ma eThekwini woza wena uzobona woza wena
Sibonge kakhulu kwiKhola Brothers kanti ke mbukeli lapha endabeni sike sakubikela udaba olundaba mlonyeni nolushaqisa abaningi njengoba kuqebhuke umgwaqo emgoqeni uBri eGoli njengamanje ke inhlaka ezahlukene zimatasa zizama ukulungisa umonakalo iSABC ijubeke intatheli yayo unozintombi Mia mbukela sikwazise ukuthi ke lengxoxo soyenza sisebenzisa ulimi locela itiye kumlungu isingisi ngoba phela umuntu esokhuluma naye ke akaqondi kahlehle ulimi ke lukaMthaniya nozintombi sikubingelele Ekhaya Jikelele welcome Sathemba ukuthi uyaphila can you please tell us what is happening right now where you at? Nozintombi, can you hear me?
Yeah, thank you so much. We are still here at the on Bree Street, and where we're standing right now, we are on Bree Street here, and we're standing where there has been a cordoning off of the street. And I'm going to step out of shot just to allow my camera colleague Sia to show you where we are and on what the scene looks like right now. So we know that from yesterday, the Gauteng Premier as well as government officials have been cautioning people from walking in the street. So what they've done overnight is put these barbed wires here. The street itself is still an active site. You can see that there are some technicians from Igoli Gas here looking at the pipelines, some city power officials as well, trying to assess and see what the problem is. We know that at about 7:30 in the morning, they did bring some of the people from the emergency services because they said that they had been called to an active site. You can see that there's even a little fire hydrant that's over there. But again, the problem of people walking in the street and not adhering to the safety rules and regulations. You can see that only one side of Bree Street has been cordoned off, and only one side that has got actual passengers walking on the passage itself. And this is on one side it's safe and it's okay, but on the other side, with the passengers themselves not walking in the street, it becomes very problematic. So we're going to try and walk a little bit more and try and speak with some of the people that are hawkers here. You know, one very interesting thing that happened, we spoke to two young men who live in the street and who sleep here in the street, and they had basically said that since Wednesday they have been struggling to find a place to sleep in, and that it has been such a big struggle for them to be able to get some sort of assistance. And these are the young men that we spoke to here. Hi guys, how are you? We're back again. Just tell me, what did you guys see on Wednesday? You say you guys are people who live here on the street. What did you guys see on Wednesday? What happened?
Okay, the first thing we saw was just the start of an explosion of the gas.
Explosion.
Yeah. So all the cars were going up. Everything was just fucked up. The tar road just open.
Do you speak Zulu, my brother?
Yes.
Just tell me in Zulu what you saw on Wednesday.
Okay, sibone cracker ile tiza. We explode gas, wa cracker. And then imoto zaphezulu wabaleka abantu wafa abantu. Bavuleka istrata nje savaleka futhi. That's all we saw.
What happened when emergency services came? Did they move you guys? Because you say you guys live a little bit further down there.
Yeah, they chased us from this place.
So where did you sleep?
We tried to sleep here.
And since Wednesday, have you had any assistance? Have they come to give you any food or water or anything?
Nothing at all. Yeah.
My brother, you were also one of the gentlemen that we spoke to. What now? What do you think needs to happen? Do you think that maybe they need to give you guys assistance with at least even water, even food, something, anything? They've removed you from where you were sleeping. They've put you here. They've inconvenienced you and your situation. What do you think needs to happen going forward?
We're supposed to get someone to help us get something like blankets, food, because here in the street there's no one to help us. You see, there's no one. We must make our plan for us. You see, my sister, there's no one who can help us here now. It's just they just look at us, live this life we live.
Thank you so much, boys. We really appreciate you guys speaking to us. We're going to move back into the main road where we'll just end off with the shots that you can see. As I said, where we're standing here, we're standing on front Brundies and Bree Street. You will see that the road is still cordoned off. But you know what the two young men are saying? The forgotten people who live in the streets of the CBD, the people that have no homes, the people that have nothing, also affected, begging and asking for some sort of assistance to be assisted in this situation as well.
information as to who is responsible for this. I mean, yesterday there were names, Sasol, Guess. What is actually happening? Nazindombi, I was just asking if you guys have gotten any update with regards to who is responsible for this, because there were names like Igoli Gas and Sasol and all of that. Have you guys maybe gotten clarity on who is actually responsible for this explosion?
Happening here. Yes, we do know right now that the city manager of Johannesburg basically has said that there is three possible scenarios of what it is that has happened, and that we know that underground, where the gentleman, what you're seeing right now is gentlemen standing in front of a dugout hole, and there are pipes that are running through that dugout hole, and those pipes are pipes that relate to city power, that give electricity, that give water as well as gas. And what we are hearing right now from Igoli Gas is that they did establish that there was a small problem with their gas pipelines there. But what they are saying still is that it is still not clear what the root cause of the explosion was. We have spoken to some experts that say that it was likely that there was already a leak that had happened earlier on during the day, and that leak had caused a lot of pressure that led to the explosion that we saw on Wednesday. But at the moment, the big issue is that there is a lot of speculation about what possibly could have happened. They still have not confirmed the cause of it. There are, as the Premier of Gauteng had said, that there are three possible scenarios. They do have their experts here. We do know that Igoli Gas has had their teams out here since Wednesday. We know that City Power have also had their teams, as well as Joburg Water. They've had their teams here, in the thick of things, really trying to see what exactly it was that had happened, and that whether or not the small leak that Igoli Gas had detected on Bree Street was really the ultimate cause of what really had caused the chaos that we saw on Wednesday with the explosion. However, we have been cautioned to make sure that we do not call it a gas leak, as the cause of the actual explosion is still not known, while the three scenarios are still being tested by the experts from the city.
Well, thank you so much for your updates, and please keep safe there. We still want to get more updates, so we really wouldn't want anything to happen to you. Just take care of yourself and make sure that you are at a safe distance away from that place. Thank you so much. Mbukeli lawo ke bekunozintombi miya besixoxisana naye ke mayilana nomgwaqo lapha eBree esitshela nje ukuthi sekuyikuphi yokwenzeka njengamanje njengoba enkanise khona. Uyasho ke naye ukuthi hayi uxoxisane nabalisa nje ke abancanyana abakhona laphana abahlala emgwaqeni. Sixolise ke Mbukeli ngomunye wabo othe ukukhuluma ngolimi lolu oluthe ushone eceleni kancane simxolisele ngaleyo ndawo. Okwamanje ke sinje qu 8 lo masibuye ukhona ukholosa uIfano becula manje kusehlezi phansi uzoxoxisa kanye nokholosa emva kalokho bese ke esiculela futhi ungayindawo ke Mbukeli kusekhaya hlala phansi nethezeke.
Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha ekhaya Jikelele kwinkqubo-ndaba yakho uDTT. Well, intatheli yemvumi ye-hip hop eyazenzela igama njengo-Ifani izimisela ukubuya emculweni emva kokunyamalela ixeshana. U-Ifani ke uphakathi kwabaculi abambalwa abathe baphakamisa ulwimi lwesintu kwicandelo le-hip hop, nanjengoko ubuninzi bengoma zakhe zibhalwe ngolwimi lwesiXhosa. Phakathi ke kwezinye ingoma ezamenza waduma ingoma ethi uzumdlalela ingoma ezimnandi nethi shake shake make it dangle. Nalapho ke sele uphumelele imbasa ezahlukeneyo. Sithetha nje sizawuqhuba udliwano ndlebe naye ukufumana banzi kuba apho ukuba ebeko uphi umqolomba kwakhala nyonini njengoba seyifika ngale mini namhlanje. Ifani,
hey mani,
Wangena uhlathi, wangena
Ulisa,
ulisa, wangena ujamba.
Ngimlowo,
Yeah,
ngimlowo.
siyabamkele Ekhaya Jikelele.
Inkosi kakhulu.
Jonga ndibila ndifunda nje intro yakho because
Ne?
ineza ways zakho.
Uyakhumbula mos oshake ewe ewe
Haya kasebenzi
ngono uzame ewe niyo leyo ndimlowo.
Ngela xesha jonga ubusiqhuqhisa usenza busy usibambe ngobhongwane
Yeah.
uperforma I mean uwina ne-awards abantu ke bebengazi into yokubana wawuphansi koxinzelelo lwengqondo ngelo xesha
Yeah.
usonwabisa wade wabe kanti uthatha nekhefu
Yeah.
sangakubona abantu bebuza into yokubana bokwakhala nyonini ku-ayifani kuba kaloku ubuyintshatsheli ingakumbi kolulwimi lwesiXhosa
Njalo.
uqoqoza usiququzelela ingaba kwakhala nyonini kwaye ungasithela nje usinikeze umboniso wezinto besenzeke ebomini bakho.
Manibulele kuqala ngendlela othethe ngayo ngami. Ndinguye uAyifani. Ngeli xesha ndingutata waka Inyani, utata kaZenazi, utata kaMusa.
Ayimani.
Ngela xesha ke ndandisenza umculo ndisenza ewe ndishake kwindawo yonke apha eSouth Africa ndandinomusa. But ndingenalo ixesha lohlala naye. Because ungalibali ukubana from uLesine ziyatsha uyabizwa uAyifani makazo perform ngoLesihlanu ndi everywhere Gqibelo cawa until Monday ekuseni. Monday ekuseni unyana uye esikolweni yabona namboni so kwakho izinto ezasihlele engqondweni yami bana ndizade ndilifumane nini ixesha lami khosoloko ndibizwa phana nabantu bayayithanda energy yami mase ngene estagini uve uqhwitha umlilo yabo kuvuthe same time
Uvutha kulapha ekhaya
yayiva ke yayiva so abantu bebendifuna kakhulu so ndazicelela mina phakathi ngokunokwabana man ndicela ixesha ndicela ixesha ngoduke ndekhaya
wagoduka
Ndagoduka.
wayekhaya
Ndayekhaya.
siyathi isiXhosa into yokubana elona chiza xa ubona ingathi jonga uphakathi konxunguphalo kwintaba yemibuzo goduka uyekhaya lichiza elo ungathi mhlawumbe ngokupha kwiphondo laseMpuma Koloni zintoni izifundo kuba ngoku so away from oshake o ewe uzolile udibene ngqo nendalo ungathi mhlambe zintoni izinto owaye wazifunda kwaye ngokugoduka kwakho ungathi into yokubana wafudumala yabalichiza kuwe lonto
njalo sesiwami njalo ngempela enjalo nyanyana because ugoduka kwami dinda uva umoya wami bana upholile ngoku ungalibali eBhayi sinolwandle amanzi angapheliyo apheli nani na ulwandle hleli lukhona amazi ahlele khona incedile kakhulu into yokuya elwandle ndipholisa umphefumulo wami kwazalwa abantwana phambi kwami ndakhulisa uBlackberry uBlack Keezer oh mntana
high five Blackberry hey naye nobufuza uyise
ayingowami ngoka sister wami
but kaloku uyayazi kwaXhosa ukubana abakasisi ngabakamalume yilonto
injalo so wakhula ke phambi kwami after khula kunjalo kwathi gqi wami ke ngoku yebo
awubhize isithethe ongadlalanga
bekumande ekhaya
ubuthi ewe
kuthi hayi hayi akasebenzi
hayi akasebenzi
ngcono zama ewe
waphuma boy
so ndafunda ugadi ukutyala ukulima zange ndalima ebomini bami ndafunda uxhela imagine ndimdala ndikwazi noxhela ndafunda into ezinjalo zoxhela ndaya nasemakhaya emaXhoseni ndofunda into ezininzi phana so ngamanye amazwi ndingumXhosa opheleleyo mani ngoku
onganxengwanga uyayiva and ezinto zibalesayo mhlawumbe omnye uzothi suka ayonto ingako kanti it's the little things that counts and zizinto mhlawumbe ongeke ukuzithenge because uachieve lento ekuthiwa yi-inner peace abantu abaninzi abangenayo
injalo
mntasekhaya ubuyile ngoku
ndibuyile ngoku
back by popular
back ubuyile no size 9 babo
oh you jonga
yes
high five
yes
yabo mntasekhaya ubuya jonga no solo point abanye nabo xa beqhekeka ndikubonile xa uperform ba ubani uthi ilonto zikrazukile kukhona nebhegi kubhizi kuningi kwenzeka ntoni
ndijonge mntase bendihleli ekhaya mntase hayi ndiyeke ndikhwaye ibanjwa mntase bendihleli ekhaya mntase ndityiwa bubomi iisharks zandiluma izinja zandiluma iintwazana zandiluma kodwa ndifuna ukuthi ndisaphelele
usaphelele
inhliziyo yami
isaphelele into ebalulekileyo leyo mntasekhaya njengobuya nje ubuya with a different look it's like ayifani hayi mani uphethe ibag like it's a different look ithini inspiration kule look unayo mntasekhaya
i-inspiration ithi ubomi bundithwaxile ubomi bundibethile bundilumile kodwa ndisaphila and ndibuyile ke ngoku ndizosebenza ndiphethe ibhegi ndize emsebenzini because emculweni siyaphangela apha umsebenzi lona kuthi yile nto le isityisayo yile nto isinika imali ezinkokuthweni zethu
ibeka ukutya etafileni
beka ukutya etafileni
into ethi mntasekhaya noba ukweyiphi ingxaki iyadluleka chuncembe ngalamandlu nawo mntasekhaya kune-album entsha uyabangena lalela
yewe ndibuyile
speaker mntasekhaya
ndibuyile ujambasi
and siyasaphawula into yokubana apha kwi-hip hop iba khona laa nto yebeef ufumanisa into yokubana nivana amandla nizi-artist and sizayiqaphela kaloku wena phana no-Ekhaya ngaphambi kokuba sweleke anga umoya wakhe ungalala ngoxolo kwaye ke uye wacollaborata naye uBralux right uBravo yes kwigama yakho entsha wayicacisa into yokubana hayi man ibingeyo le beef abantu abacinga bayiyo why did you feel the need into yobana uclarify
number 1 ndiyalihlonipha idlozi kakhulu siyahlonipha idlozi and after umntu noba besenza ntoni emhlabeni after umntu ewelile kweli phesheya uba mkhulu kum uyabo so ndiyamrespekta noba besenza ntoni noba benjani so after umjita u-Ekhaya esishiyile iye yaphela yonke into yobujita nobu-Ekhaya nobukhwenkwe bakhe because ngoku lidlozi so ndimrespekta as idlozi so ndithi kulaa ngoma nam ndiyazazi ndiyeza ngenye imini ndizohlala nani edlozini but before ndifike apho ndifuna utsho ngoku ukubana ndixolile phefumlo wam uxolile ndirayithi ibeef yethu ayisekho and nawe may you please rest in peace
Camaku wathetha kamnandi ndiqinisekile into yokubana njengoba uthetha nje amathambo ayanyakaza yintoni ngoku into elindelekileyo kuye u-Ifani because ufike wagaleleka jonga
kuzoba yonke into esendleleni
khaba mntazi ngena
ngoku uyangena ulisa uyangena ujambase third quadrant ndanditshilo ebantwini ndathi bantu ndize apha kulo mculo ngeequadrant eziyi-4 first quadrant ngulo bene-ewe noshake nengoma ezimnandi nomili second quadrant ngulona beno-ayadelela bendiculela apha ayadelela antso ke uFebruary uyamthanda i-Eastern Cape uFebruary upha ku-second quadrant so ndiyabuya ke ngoku no-third quadrant and ndifuna ukuthi mane kwabantu ababukeleyo nakuwe ndiyabulela kwabantu abancinci bebendibukela ngoku bendikhupha first quadrant because ngoku bakhulile and ndiyabava because imiculo yabo bayayiposta bayanditheka and ndiyayiva imfundiso yam apha ezingomeni zabo so ndiyabulela kunonke bafethu bothanda umculo wam nani bosisi nani bantwana ndiyayibona imisebenzi yenu
uzikhulisile nyhani nambe ndikuthanda uewe ndingamqalela eqaleni sizawuthi qhwi masiye dispanaqi soloko ndimenqo imalayithi soloko imenqo bajita kutheni ndikrebisaqo
isithi ingathi yipoetry kanqo ibambile high five
Mntasekhaya enkosi kakhulu ngokuba usindwendwele I cannot wait for i-performance yakho xa suyiqwela uyiqongqothela joka kusazoba lithi mbukeli we-Ekhaya Jikelele ayimani ngoku masiye kumamtshali
hayi ziyabuya ke kajikelele khola sabazo bakequke nezitulo bawe beshaya ama-high five yazi yamnandi ke leyo interview kanye lapha no-Ifani njengamanje ke mbukela siqhubekele phambili ngoba nami njengoba ngihlezi nje la ngihlezi ngedwa ngihlezi nezivakashi lapha endlini zomsakazo sivakashelwe uchairman Chamunati uzosixoxela kabanzi ngomsebenzi wakhe uchairman sikubingelele sikamkele chairman
ngiyabingelela mama ninjani
hayi siyaphila ake siqale nje ngegama chairman liphuma phela igama lakho owethiwa lona noma ulithole ngendlela
igama liyazalelwa ne-dress code
yes
ne-dress code yanginika igama lobuchairman ngoba into engiyenzile ngenze something different from everyone ngithathe i-archer ngayinika isithunzi i-archer yaba ne-dignity so ngaba yi-chairman ngokuthatha i-archer yazi i-archer is just a simple thing elokishini but mina ngithathe ngayi-dignifya
yes so vele ke yabona hayi usuvele wangena kuyo eze-archer mbukeli uchairman ke ukhiqiza i-archer nansi i-archer esinayo lapha kwethu uyabona nje ngizwa ngephunga nje sengivele ngalamba mangizini
unayo yakho
kwaze kwamnandi ekhaya manje awungitshela bekukuningi izinto obungayidayisa why ukhethe i-archer
kunezinye izinto awuzikhetha uNkulunkulu ngithengisa ayikho into engayidayisanga but when it comes to a calling uNkulunkulu akhethela i-calling ukuthi specific wena uzolungisa icathula or uzoyenza icathula so mina ungikhethe eAcheni but athi ngenze sho ukuthi amafutha angeke akangitheli ngoba abantu abafana nawe they won't buy it yes
manje sokumuhle kanjena umsuyidayisa le acha yakho uyidayisa kuziphi indawo futhi
khona manje ngidayisa phakathi kwemall is the first time ever iacha ingena phakathi kwemall phambi kwezitolo ezinkulu abo Truworths abo ini first time ever uNkulunkulu glory to the God
manje ungitshela ke ngicurious mina ngokwazi ukuthi ke so iacha le nje obuyidayisa uyenza wena ngezandla zakho
yes ngithenga i-raw i-green
imango bese kuyaqoba yahlanganisa ufaka izithako nezithako
iza iqobile mina ngifaka just ama secret ingredients
ukuthi nje bemnandi idlule yomuntu
yazi into important ngeacha ukuthi umuntu ufanele mawuyithengile so ayifanele ngilale fanele uyidle nge1 day phele ngenxa ukuthi imnandi uyidle nga anything uyidla yes ma'am
so ngiunderstand ukuthi la business lakho leacha uhlomlisa kakhulu abantu besifazane like women nabo baya benefit from this awusichazela usikanjani
yazi meme ngisizwe abantu abakunomunye umuntu bambiza uMaisolo ubuya ngapha eNetwest he's a successful businessman izinto azenze ahamba nami ungifundise ubuntu ukuthi ngibe nenhliziyo yokupha so khona manje each and every time nginamalanga ngiyachuza ukuthi no ngizonika abantu abomama abangase yazi kubhlungu ungasebenza umama uthola 700 yesasa then ufuna ukuvula ibusiness mara mongathatha le mali yakho yesasa wavula ibusiness ngayo abantwana ngeke badle so mina ngifuna abantu abafana nalabo ngibanike amabhakethi wama-acha for free just to empower them nakaqeda ukuyithengisa if ufuna ukuchubeka nge-acha ngimnika i-supply ukuthi ahambe azenzele but if ufuna ukuthengisa amaswidi uzaphumelela ahambe ngamaswidi wakhe into engibhekile ukuthi abomama abafani nami mina ngahamba ngawugubha umgodi wena ngeke bakuthathe mabathi uzomixa idaka so abantu abomama yibo abantu esikhathini esiningi abasafarayo ukudlula thina abobaba
manje ungathi iziphi ingqinamba mhlawumbe ekutheni uyiqalile ibusiness lakho nokuthi wena wedlula kanjani lezo ingqinamba
yazi mama la kunoNkulunkulu khona ne kunama ups and down lama ups and down hi training yoNkulunkulu nginika abantu babomama le-acha mawungabona ifridge yami kusesikhathini samanje ukuthi njani you love ngithatha imali yami ye-commission yonke ngiyidedicatele for ukunika abantu without any sponsors or any organization mina ngiyenza ngemali yasendlini eyami so yinto enokuba ukuthi ibenzimanyana kancane kimi but I will continue doing this
ngoba phela kusiza abantu ngiyezwa futhi kuthiwa nase endaweni lapho phuma khona izingane zakhona nje manje umuyibuza ukuthi usuyi role model nabo sebefisa ukwenza lento yenzayo ngabe uzizwa kanjani nje wena ukwazi ukuthi usu inspire nabanye ukuthi nabo benze izinto ezinkulu
yazi abantu bangayibona njenge-acha bathi acha sone but ngicreate imisebenzi khona manje la uhamba khona wonke ama-4 stop uthola abantu bamemakhonini bathengisa ama-acha ukhona omunye evali naye ugcoka amasutu uthengisa i-acha yabona ukuthi into engiyenzile nginika abantu i-idea bebanganayo so everyone now ustart ukubona ukuthi on opportunity musinayo i-acha musi singaphuma mama ukuphumelela it doesn't mean ukuthi fanele uyenze into encane ikwazi ukuthatha bona khona manje i-acha ingifake kuphi
ikufake into ngempela ngoba ngiyezwa sekuthiwa usunominatiwe for ama-awards awungichazela ngalawo ma-awards awukuphi ethwani
ama-Tshwane Legendary Awards banginominatile labantu ama-awards ngenxa yanto engiyenzayo yes ma'am
hawu manje anini ama-awards azobe nini
ama-awards befanele abe ngathi ngoJune bapostponela kuSeptember but wona they are in pipeline
hayi musu uyitholile i-award yakho sicela usishuthela phela isithombe usendele le award sibona cha inhle i-acha yakho manje for umuntu oyifunayo ke le-acha nayo ufuna uku-order ikakhulukazi futhi nomunye umama nayo obukayo njengamanje uselokishini somewhere ongazi ukuthi uzohlanganisa ini nani mhlawumbe yena ungathi utholakala kanjani ukuze bezokwazi ukuxhumana nawe
bathi Women's Day ngiyi-9 ngiyi-9 ngizobe nginika more than 12 yabomama amabhakethi wama-acha so ngikhona ku-TikTok ngikhona ku-Facebook nginama-phone number wami if uyazi ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthi ufike eMabopane ngoba ngizobe ngibanika from eMabopane but into engibhekile iview yami ukunika abantu ama-province wonke.
So nje wonke umuntu uzokuthola ku TikTok igama lakho ku TikTok uchairman we-Archer.
Chairman Archer.
Yes, Makholi usula.
Siyayiqongqotha kanjalo. Enkosi kakhulu tata, siyawuthanda umsebenzi wakho. Right ubukeli we-Ekhaya Jikelele sikushiya kanjalo kodwa ke uAyifani ukhona uthi hayi mani nge-intro yakhe sinithanda ngothando luka love.
Nisale kahle.
Andithandi nemvula xa kunetha kuyavuza ngapha umntana uyagula andisipani ndiyacula makazi yathanda unthuka jonga nje yaguga ngxaki zam ziyanyuka mali yami yavuthuka okay sure ndi-broke xa bethetha ngambanyuba khabatha zinakutya sisu somntana siyaluma ndenze nto ndiyabuza maqhina ndiyawanyuka nyawo zam zombi ziyanuka okoko ndiguza ungabuza nosidudla oh my friend bayadura nento zabo ziyaphuka musa sundipusha tata kuyathanda uqumba tata kuyathanda uphupha ophelela phinda wena ziyathanda unthuka jonga nje yaguga ngxaki zam ziyanyuka mali yami yavuthuka ungabuza nosidudla kabatha zinakutya sisu somntana siyaluma musa sundipusha tata kuyathanda uqumba tata kuyathanda